Hello everyone, in today's lesson we're gonna learn how to make tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro. I have prepared clip in timeline, the guy is walking near sea, and for example we need to blur his face. We need to search blur effect in effect panel, search for Gaussian blur, drag it to our clip, and now we need to create the mask that blurs only face. Go to the Gaussian blur option and press Create Ellipse Mask. Now drag the mask to guy's face, something like this. But mask just stays in one position. But we want the mask to move after him and his face to be blurred throughout the clip. So what we got to do? How to do tracking? In the Gaussian blur section, in mask option, just click timer icon on mask path and then click track selected mask forward. Now we'll wait for tracking to complete. And now set blurriness value to 25 and let's see what we've got. And now the mask follows our guy, and his face blur throughout the clip. Now we know how to make tracking in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and have a nice day.